everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as the title of the video says, this is the May favorites video, so let's begin. So I'm going to show you some of the products and tell you if I like them or I don't, or if I'm going to buy it again. So the first product here is the Chocolate Therapy Chocoberry Body Soap. So this is how it looks. It looks like an Easter egg. It smells delicious. This was berries and chocolate, and as you guys know, I am not a body soap person and I am a shower gel person, but if I'm given a choice to buy the soap, I am going to pick it up. This was a gift from a friend and I don't know if this is available in India because I honestly don't think so. I have looked for it everywhere but couldn't find it, but this is a big yes from me. All the details of the products I talk about I will be putting in the description box, so if you guys want to shop it, you can go pick it up. So the second product is the Palmer's Even Tone Sun Care. So this is how the bottle looks. I've already used all of it. So when I was traveling to Sri Lanka and different places, I use this. This is a body sunscreen and this is a very big yes from me. It's really nice. It's, you know, it just sinks into your skin very well. You don't have a white cast. You should not be using this on the face. I haven't tried it on my face, and it mentions it's a body sunscreen, so preferably on the body. You can use it on the whole body, and this is a really good product. It's available on all stores, so you can go to any store and pick this up. Also, you can pick this up on Nykaa, or you can pick this up from Boots Pharmacy. So I picked this up from Boots Pharmacy, and I'm gonna pick more of these. These are really good. It's a very big yes from me. The next product I'm going to talk to you about is this is from Daiso, and this is how it looks, and the only thing in English written here is the natural pack. I don't know if you can see. So here you go, it's written as the natural pack. So this is a blackhead removal peel off. I have been using this since years. If you guys have been following me since a while, you'll have already seen me talk about this product and talk about the previous product. If you haven't, please do follow me, and then you will see a lot more of these videos. So coming back to this product is beautiful. It really helps to remove your blackheads. Also, I don't really put this product on my whole face because I don't see it necessary for my skin, but if it is necessary for your skin, you can use this product on your whole face. It's actually a charcoal peel off, and it does not rip the oils out of your skin. It makes you feel soft, supple. It's very comfortable, and it does not hurt you like the other peel off mask. This is an amazing product, and I think this costs, yeah, so this costs 7 dirhams each. So you can buy this and use this. It's available at every Daiso store in the world. Also, it's available on Amazon. So the next product I'm going to talk to you about is the Adidas Antiperspirant 72 hours. So as you guys know, I'm a hardcore Nivea fan, but if Nivea is not around, this is what I'm going to be using. This really works the whole day. You can wear it in the morning, take a shower, wear it in the morning, go work out, have your whole day done, come back, and you're still not going to be having an odor. This is amazing. Trust me guys, buy this and thank me later. And the next product I have to tell you guys about is the Herbal Essences Bio Renew range. So I have been using the Repair Argan Oil of Morocco. So I'm done with the shampoo. I don't know where it is, but this is the conditioner. So the conditioner is completely empty. So everything I'm showing you is completely empty. So I've used this for a really long time and stuff, and then I'm telling you guys about the products. So this conditioner is bomb. The shampoo, the conditioner is just so good. This is sulfate free, paraben free, and it's very economical. Such a big bottle lasted me for more than 6 months, and the same thing goes with the shampoo as well. It's just amazing. It's beautiful. Do give these products a try. The Herbal Essence Bio Renew range is really good. I've already picked up another set of this, which is in the cupboard behind. I am going to start using it very soon again. So that's there. And the last product of the day is the Hello Beautiful She and Vitamin E Shower Gel from Bath & Body Works. So if you guys have been following me, you'll already know how much I love body showers and body gels, and also how much I love Bath & Body Works. So you can see how empty this is. This is the Bath and Body Works products. Every Bath and Body Works body gel has vitamin E, and it's really mild on my skin, really soft, very fragrant. Your whole bathroom will smell so good. This is a big yes. You can pick this up, since if you're not going out and stuff like that and you just want it home delivered, you can buy it online on the bathandbodyworks.in website. I'll put the website down below. Also, it's available on Amazon, so you guys can pick it up. I'll put all the links down below, so if you guys want to shop and stuff like that, you all can go ahead. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you for watching. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, do follow me on Instagram. That's Saviona Fernandez. Thank you.